Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So let's get started. So we are discussing what is happening with the price of the Bitcoin right now. Today I will tell you my thoughts on this and some news. Again, I will show you some of the formations that I showed you yesterday, so watch this video till the end. It will be very interesting. So traders, let's move on to the 1 hour time frame. We have a similar range here. I expect that in the next few hours we can see quite a lot of volatility because Jerome Powell will be speaking. The following can happen: we can squeeze down from this range, reach out liquidity zone, and after that the whales will pull the price up and close this range. This is quite an interesting fall. Let's take another look. So this candlestick was 6.2% down. At the end of the video I will tell you what it was and what liquidations we actually saw here and what this candlestick is talking about. Most likely the candlestick indicates that we can go up in the short term, and why this is not a bearish story on the market. Also traders, we are switching to the 4 hour time frame. As you remember, I'm in a trade on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. You see it, my trade is in profit on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. Local transaction Bitcoin USDC 1% profit. Expect a movement to the $30,000 zone. So the nearest tron resistance where I will unload my local position. I also have one more global position, which is also now in a huge profit of 218%. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there is a spin like a wheel. You can win Bitcoin, artificial intelligence tokens, Macy's autograph t-shirt, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description. So we pass to the next 4 hour chart in this range. Here too, without changes as in the previous video. We can test this range again, maybe get out of it and make a puncture, but one way or another it seems to me that the whales will still pull the price up. It's now important for them to show that the price of Bitcoin began to rise after the speech of Jeremy Powell. So that is, he said something, there was a squeeze, and after that everything goes up. There will be an easing of the Fed's policy to raise interest rates. There will be a slight positive, and after that the market will go up, and we will say that against the backdrop of the news everything went up and the whales simply manipulate the market and pull the price where they are interested. Let's also look at fairly fundamental metrics. We had a 6% decline in one huge candlestick. So what happened? Quite an interesting thing happened. There was a huge liquidation of shorts, which is noted here. For you to understand, the same volume was liquidated on this candlestick, which was liquidated during the collapse of FTX. When the news came that FTX was over, that one of the largest exchanges in the cryptocurrency market no longer existed, it became insolvent. There was a huge collection of liquidity, liquidation of long positions, and look how many there are and how much the price went down. Something similar is happening now, a huge number of short liquidations, and look how the price didn't fall this time. The price fell only 6%, although there are almost as many liquidations as on the news about FTX. So this says a lot, that most likely the whales still don't want to pull the price down. They want to take it to $30,000 in the short term, maybe until the end of May. They want to make the price fall below this low that we had before. They don't want to break the rise information and want to quickly pull the price up to $30,000. So such a pattern is quite possible. This is a very interesting pattern. When the last time the price was on this arc, then look how we jumped. It could happen this time too. Each time we have consolidated within the range that we have marked here, and after that we flew away for a fairly large number of percent. It was here, it was also here, and in general, historically, this is a good enough place to gain a position on Bitcoin, to gain assets here, because every time we come into this range, we fly away. We haven't historically traded much below this range. Yes, there were punctures below this range, there were some small trades, but for a long time, we didn't sit below this range and didn't trade lower for a long time. And this time, the same thing happens. On the news about the collapse of FTX, we went below this range, traded here, but then returned inside this range, and now we are growing. An interesting observation, watch this area. It's possible that in the near future we will be bounce very strongly and at least up to $30,000. We should go and test this zone. Therefore, traders, we are waiting for the Fed meeting. Let's see if my expectations come true. Again, I remind you that I'm now in a short-term loan and expect that today the price will go up on the news of the Fed. And if you dig deeper, the price will go up due to the fact that the whales will manipulate the market and we will see a value in the range of $23,000. And after that, we will already be testing $25,000, $28,000 in the next month or a month and a half. So let's see. Also, friends, don't forget to subscribe to my free Telegram group where updates come out much more often. As to what Jeremy Powell has to say and where we are going, you will have an opportunity to take a position on this news. To do this, you need to be subscribed to my Telegram group. So we're waiting for news from the Fed meeting. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and Telegram group, and also don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for watching. Bye.